So I've been hearing about this barbecue joint for years, and since we're in carnivore's paradise, I thought we would try the famous Dadin Shinwari BBQ. A small biker group called the Free Spirits were heading that way, so I hitched a ride with them. Now we're heading beyond the city borders, through the federally administered tribal area towards the Afghan border. So filming at any checkpoints were highly prohibited. I only learned that when I was generously asked to delete any footage with security forces, which meant the entrance to the restaurant, which is located a few yards from the Afghan border process. Only a short 2 hours ride, and I didn't want the winding roads to stop. The view was great. Since this place is sold out at lunchtime, we had to book our meal in advance. I rushed in to see if the process made sense with what I've read and heard. Only salt is used on the barbecue, and the karai has only green chili and tomato, no other spices. But here's my theory to the unique taste. The oil used from the sheets and cubes of fat from the sheep's rump just works well when pressed and processed by hands infused with remnants of hashish and its oils. It's where the magic happens. So even a few cubes of the staple diet can induce an instant food coma, and such meal is always followed by kahwa, the sweet-smelling green tea, which helps with digestion and breaking down that gamey taste. That was a short ride for a few bites. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want, hit that bell notification button to keep up. Stay healthy, spread love. Bye!